Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you on serving up images using AWS CloudFront and S3. Optimizing images is crucial for enhancing user experience and reducing delivery costs. So, let's dive into the process step by step. Firstly, ensure you've created an S3 bucket and uploaded an image. This will serve as the starting point for our image delivery setup. Now, select the origin domain as the S3 bucket we've created. In the Origin Access section, configure Origin Access control settings and create a new UAC for better control. Follow default settings and prioritize HTTPS for a secure connection, ensuring the safety of your data during transfer. Next, choose Cache Policy and Origin Request Policy to optimize content delivery through the CDN. For our development purposes, we won't be using WAF in this setup. With all configurations in place, click on the Create Distribution button at the bottom to initiate the process. While the distribution is being deployed, update the policy for the S3 bucket. Navigate to the Origin tab, select the default origin, and copy the policy from the provided button. Paste the copy policy into the bucket policy section in the S3 bucket settings, ensuring seamless integration between S3 and CloudFront. Return to the CloudFront distribution to verify accessibility. This step ensures that the CloudFront distribution is correctly linked to our S3 bucket. Copy and paste the CloudFront distribution domain along with the file name from the S3 bucket. Voila! You should now see your image served efficiently using AWS S3 and CloudFront distribution. And there you have it. Serving up images using AWS CloudFront and S3 not only optimizes your website's performance but also ensures a faster and more reliable user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AWS insights. Happy coding!